Hey there, welcome back. Today we're diving into a practice called noting. It's a cornerstone of mindfulness and it helps us see things clearly without getting tangled up in our reactions. Think of it as separating the experience itself from the stories we tell ourselves about it. That separation is key to letting go and feeling calmer. Let's start by settling in. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze if that feels better. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling energy and awareness, and exhaling any tension. With each exhale, imagine your body softening and releasing any tightness. Now, bring your attention to your body. Simply notice any sensations you experience, like the feeling of your clothes against your skin or the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Don't judge these sensations as good or bad, just observe them with curiosity. As you continue, you might find your mind starting to add labels. Maybe a feeling feels uncomfortable or a thought pops up as unhelpful. That's totally normal. When you notice a judgment arise, acknowledge it gently. Don't fight it or get caught up in the story. Just say to yourself, "Ah, a judgment," and then let it go. Think of it like a cloud drifting across the sky. You see it, but you don't need to chase after it. Open your awareness a little wider. Maybe you hear a sound outside or feel a shift in your breath. Notice these experiences with the same gentle curiosity. If a judgment pops up about the sound, simply acknowledge it and let it go. Continue practicing this for a few minutes. Whether you're noticing a sensation, a sound, or a thought, simply observe it without judgment. If a judgment arises, you know the drill. Name it and let it go. There's no pushing or pulling, just a gentle awareness of your experience. When you're ready to finish, take a few deep breaths, allowing your awareness to settle back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes if they were closed. Remember, this practice is all about cultivating awareness without judgment. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to see things clearly and let go of unnecessary stress. And hey, if you're looking to deepen your mindfulness practice, don't forget to check out my Slow Down Sis, a mindfulness mastery toolkit. It's packed with resources to help you stay grounded and present in your daily life. Until next time, take care with gratitude.